Wagwan, what's great? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Chef John Morris, and today, as seen in the title, and as you saw that beautiful thumbnail, we're about to make some Jamaican beef and pumpkin soup. So if that's something that you're interested in, stick around. After the intro, get right into it.
We know about sardine, mackerel, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing I waste, nothing I dash way.
So, beef and pumpkin soup is a Jamaican classic, you know. And what better time to have the soup done than now in these times of cold weather? You know what I say? November time, best time for some soups. And we also have the chicken foot soup out. We have a red pea soup out. What else do we have? We have a fish tea out. And even in the morning, we have a lot of porridge dishes as well. And those will be a great addition to this cold weather here in Canada and worldwide. You see me? So let's get right into these ingredients. So for the pumpkin, I'm using 1 pound of Jamaican rich yellow pumpkin. Just remove the seeds from that. We're just going to peel the skin off, wash this, and then we're going to cut it up into uniform size cubes. Once we get that done, we're going to head on over to our chocho. I'm using 1 medium size here. Just going to divide that into 4 pieces. Remove the core, peel the skin off, and cut this up into small chunks, about 1/2 inch squares, and that should be beautiful, just like that. 1 medium carrot. You can use a small one depending on how much carrots you like in your soup. So I'm just going to peel that, wash it, and cut it into nice little 1/2 moons. 2 potatoes, a small and a medium. I'm going to just remove the skin, wash it, and cut it into bite-sized pieces. For the corn and the cob, we're just going to peel and wash this. Cut them into little rounds that will fit in your spoon. 2 green onions, otherwise known as scallion in Jamaica. Just going to wash and remove the roots, and then just going to dice those up. We have yellow yam. We're just going to peel that deep enough so that we can remove all of those rats that may be there. And we're just going to wash that with some lime juice, just so to prevent it from oxidizing. Slice that into bite-sized cubes again, and then we're going to add some water to prevent it from becoming brown, otherwise known as oxidizing. So add all the dry ingredients together, and we're just going to mix these up properly to incorporate them. Once that's incorporated, we're going to gradually add our water and knead into a nice smooth dough. And this is the texture that you want to see, not too sticky, not too hard. So just a rundown of our ingredients again. We have our dough, we have our corns on the cob. As you can see, there's slicing rounds. We have our beef and pumpkin soup mix. We have a stalk of fresh thyme or scallion, 1 green scotch bonnet pepper for the flavorful heat. We have our carrot over here, our yams, which are a little bit brown but they're fine. We also have here the pumpkin, some more fresh thyme, pimento, and about 3 garlic. Our potatoes in the water. We are going to season with some chicken base, chocho of course, and the star of the show, our beef bone, which is 2 pounds. So now it's time for cooking. We're going to add our water, our pumpkin, pimento berries, garlic, as well as our fresh thyme. And I'm going to hit that with 2 tablespoons of chicken base just to start everything off. What the chicken base does in this process is to prevent this from boiling over, as well as to add flavor to the soup from the get-go. We're going to cook this on a medium-high heat for 5 to 10 minutes. This will bring flavor to the soup, as well as to soften those pumpkins up. I can smell it now. We're just going to add our fresh beef in, and we're going to cook this for about an hour to soften the beef to about 75% of the way. Alright, it's been over an hour now. Now we're going to add our dumplings. We're just going to pinch off a piece, roll it in the center of the palm, and you're going to do a back and forth motion to create some spinners. Add those in, and we have the second dumpling here. Just roll it in the palm, press with the thumb just to form an indent, and there you go, Jamaican dumpling. Look how beautiful everything looks in that pot. So we're going to add our yams in, as well as our beef and pumpkin soup mix. Give that a quick stir, cover that for 15 to 20 minutes on medium-low heat. Yo, look how rich that is. Like you can drink it already, but we can't. We have to test that meat, and it's cooked right now to about 90% of the way. Now it's time for us now to add in our provisions. We're gonna add our potato, our corns, and the corns here in Canada, they cook real quick, about 15 minutes should do to 20 minutes. Or chocho or coyote as you would call it. And you realize I have a lot of food in my pot because I like a lot of food. If you don't like a lot of food, you can cut these ingredients into half. So we're going to add here about 2 more cups of water just to even out the liquid with the food portion, and you should be good to go. So in total we have 6 cups of water. Going to season with 2 tablespoons of all-purpose seasoning, and we're just going to mix that in. Just gonna cover that up. We're just gonna cook on a medium-low heat to cook that corn through. All of these vegetables cook real quick for about 5 minutes on medium-low heat. Look how rich and beautiful that is. Right now we're just gonna give it a taste and adjust seasons here where necessary. Just gonna add our carrots in, or scotch bonnet pepper, or fresh thyme, and our green onions. Give that a quick stir. And we're just going to cover that up again for a final cook. Look at that. Just going to cook this for about 5 more minutes on medium-low heat until thicken. We should be ready to go. See it there? Rich, creamy, Jano food galore. Look, pan dumpling there, fat and juicy. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe to the thing. Tell a friend tell a friend, man. Say beef soup is here again. Look at the beef meat. Jeez. Super rich. Like a Bill Gates. Oh my days. Grab a spoon and make we indulge. Remember now, man, if you did like this video, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the thing. And there you have it, how to make your very own beef and pumpkin soup just right to comfort you in these cold times. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And remember, we have a few videos out on soups that you can check out, from fish tea to the red peas, the chicken foot, you name it, we have it. And if you're new here, subscribe, because you don't know, we have over 280 videos and counting, and that's something you do not want to miss out on. Once again, thank you very much for being a part of this kitchen. Thank you very much for stopping by. Until next time, safe travel upon the gravel, and go and big up on yourself.